Looking for a budget-friendly drone on Shopee? Today, we're checking out the E99 Drone, a foldable quadcopter aimed at beginners and casual users. But is it really worth your money? Let's find out. The E99 comes with a 720p camera, foldable design, and basic flight functions, all at a very affordable price. Perfect for casual users, right? Well, not so fast. Here's what we liked about the E99. Short range. It works well within a limited area, making it ideal for indoor flights. Well packaged, the drone arrives safely with all components intact, no missing parts out of the box. Functional, despite its limitations, it actually flies and captures footage, so it does what it promises for casual use. Now for the downsides: not durable. The build quality is subpar, and it won't survive rough handling or even minor crashes. If you're looking for something long-lasting, this isn't it. So, what's the final verdict? Do not buy. While the E99 is cheap and does fly, its lack of durability and limited range make it unsuitable for anyone looking for a reliable, long-lasting drone. Investing in a more robust and feature-rich drone is your better option. If you want more drone reviews and tips for beginner-friendly quadcopters, check the links at the description, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to like this video.